Hey guys, just thought I would come on here and show you. I still, I know that I did a review on it before, just kind of letting you guys know about it, but man, I love this thing. If you don't have one, get one. This thing is amazing. My floors stay so clean because of this. I mean, it gets everything. Everything. This one's a 2-in-1 Shark. So it does mopping and vacuuming. Right now I took the part off for the mopping, so it's just vacuuming. Love, love, love it.